For punong barangay and kagawad ng Sangguniang Barangay. Barangay Elections, October 25, 2010. Walang pang-event. We, the undersigned, constituting the Barangay Board of Canvassers of Barangay San Vicente of the City, Municipality of Santo Tomas, Province of Batangas, do hereby certify under our official oaths. So that we have duly canvassed the election returns in the precincts comprising the aforesaid barangay in the election held on October 25, 2010, and that attached hereto and forming part hereof is statement of votes by precinct with serial number 1927180 of the votes cast therein for each candidate, and that the following candidates obtained the highest number of votes indicated opposite their names. Okay na tayo. Punong barangay. From the bottom. Number 6 tayo ha. Kagawad. Or Sangguniang Barangay. Cacao Chodorico. Earn 1,115 votes. Earn 1,178. Mamaya magkumpleto na ha. Mamaya. 1,178 votes.
Mamaya lang kami.
Mamaya kami
Mamaya.
Latayan Chodorico M. Gonzales Arnel Q. And earn 1,244 votes. Next is Villegas Edwin C. Latayan Romulo M.
Ilan lang? 4? Wala yung dalawa.
For our punong barangay, Mr. Carpio Aquilino A with 1,441.
Kayo po.
Tataas ang kamay, oh.
Tataas ang kamay. Victory.
Compress kamay.
Victory, victory.
Oh.
Yun!
Alam, dito si Kuya.
Yan, taas 1, 2.
Ay, tatakpan ang mukha.
Min po.
Pang Facebook.
Okay.